Hello everyone, welcome to another math online lesson, and our lesson for today is triangle inequality theorem. Now what is triangle inequality theorem all about? Triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So basically, if this is our triangle, if we add side AB and side BC, it's obviously greater than the side AC. Or if we add side AB and side AC, should be greater than side BC. Or if we add side AC and side BC, it should be greater than side AB. So let's have an example for this one. So I have here three given sides. So is it possible for a triangle to have sides with this given length? And explain why. Letter A, 3, 6, and 9 feet. Now I want you to pause the video and try to check if this given dimension makes a triangle. So there you have it. Thus 3, 6, and 9 feet makes a triangle. If your answer is no, then you are correct because we have 3 plus 6 equals to 9, which is not greater than 9. So these dimensions will not make a triangle. How about letter B? You have 5, 7, and 10. Do you think this dimension would make a triangle? Go ahead and pause the video and try to check it yourself. Do you have it? Is your answer yes? Let's check. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, which is greater than 10, correct? Let's see the other side. 7 plus 10, that's 17, greater than 5, also correct. 5 plus 10, that's 15, greater than 7. Therefore, you get the correct answer. So these dimensions makes a triangle. How about the last one? 4, 4, and 4 feet. Does this make a triangle? Go ahead and pause the video again and check it yourself. You have it. Is your answer yes? And you're correct, because this is an example of an equilateral triangle with three equal sides. And to check if it does make a triangle, you have 4 plus 4, 8, which is greater than the other side, that is 4. So therefore, this is a triangle. Simple, right? Now what if we only have two given sides and then we need to solve for the third side? Is there a way to solve for the third side of the triangle? And the answer is yes. Now to solve for the value of the third side of the triangle, we use this formula. So you have x is less than the sum of the two sides and greater than the absolute value on the difference of the two sides. Wherein here, your a and b are the two given sides and your x will be the unknown side of the triangle. Let's have an example here. See if we could come up with the third side of the triangle. So here, we have two given sides, 6 and 9 feet. What would be the third side to make this dimension a triangle? Now, let's find out the given first. Given we have 6 and 9, either you can decide where's A and B here. So for me, we have A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9, and then our unknown side would be the x. So let's use the formula. A plus B is greater than x, and x is greater than the absolute value of A minus B. Now let's input all the given data. So you have your A, 6 plus 9, greater than x, and x is greater than 6 minus 9. So 6 plus 9 is 15. greater than x, and x is greater than the absolute value of negative 3, wherein the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So you have here the value of x is less than 14 but greater than 4. Or we can write it as from the value of x would be from 14, that's less than 15, to 4, or vice versa. That is greater than 3. So that's 4, less than 15, that's 14. So it's in between these values, or the possible third side of 6 and 9, in order for this one to become a triangle. So let's have another set of examples here. You can get your notebook and try to answer this one in yourself using this formula in solving the third side of the triangle. Go ahead and pause the video and try to solve 1 and 2. Do you have it? Let's check if you get the correct answer. So for number 1, we have here 15. The value of x would be less than 15 but greater than 5. So how do we solve this one? Again, using this formula, gather all the data. So your a here, see if your a is equal to 5, and then your b is equal to 10. So let's try to input this data in our formula. So a plus b, so that would be 5 plus 10 greater than, so this will be our unknown, and our unknown is greater than the absolute value of a minus b, the absolute value of 5 minus 10. So simplifying this one, 5 plus 10, that is 15, greater than the third side, and our third side is greater than the absolute value of 5 minus 10, that is negative 5, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. So therefore, the third side should be less than 15, but greater than 5, or that is from 14 to 6. There. So these are the possible third side of our two given side for this to become a triangle. Now how about on the second example? Do you have your answer here? Let's check if you got the correct answer. So the answer here would be x is less than 28 but greater than 10. Again, let's gather the data. So your a here is equal to 28. Our b would be 4. Oh, sorry. 14. This is 14. And then your b would be 4. Using the formula, you have a plus b, so you have 14 plus 4. So this is not 28. This is 18. So I hope you got the correct answer here. That is 18. And then it's greater than the third side, and the third side is greater than the difference of a minus b, which is 14 minus 4. There. So 14 plus 4, this is 18. That should be greater than the third side, and your third side is greater than the absolute value of 14 minus 4, that is 10. And the absolute value of 10 is 10. So you have 18 and 10. So this will be our values, or possible values of the third side. Kindly check this one. So if you get 18 greater than the third side and the third side is greater than 10, then you are correct. So the possible values of the third side here would be from uh, 17 to 11 there. So in between these numbers will be your possible value of the third side. So that example number 2 will be a triangle. So I hope you learned something today and see you on my next online lesson.